Start right off with a health bounce. Welcome to your 5-minute lymphatic bounce. Today is all about getting the body in circulation, flushing out the lymphatic system, and just having a good old-fashioned, nice body movement, 5-minute bounce. Deep breath in, exhale, slight bend in your knees, core in tight, shoulders back down away from your ears, and your gaze is forward. That is your stacked stance. Deep breath in, exhale, even foot placement on the mat, shoes or no shoes. The work is in the push down into the mat and allowing the mat to rebound you back up before you push back down again. Wider bounce, active arms. Bend in those knees, push down. A little bit more activation here with the arms. Active movement, active arms. Anytime you get the arms involved, I always say you're having a greater calorie burn. Why not work the entire body? Circulation, cardiovascular, coordination, lymphatic drainage, pumping that heart, getting some good cardio in. We're going to slowly, when it comes time, lift into a gentle bounce, lifting the feet off the mat. We've had a 2-minute warm up, and right now is a gentle lift off. Slight bend in the knees, don't forget your stacked stance, core in tight, gaze is forward, chest is proud, shoulders back down away from your ears, meaning they're not tense. Relax. Pushing down into the mat. Breathe it out. Anytime you need a break, you come and do this 5-minute lymphatic bounce. Nice work. Just to feel good, have fun, take care of that body, keep it in circulation. Very nice. Out, out, in, out, out, in. Single it out. Nice work. Double. Single. Double. Single. Double. Push. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double, and return to your house bounce. This 5-minute in and out can be done a couple times throughout the day. You need a break from sitting at your desk. You need a stress relief break. You need a wellness relief break. Whatever the case may be. Come and do this 2 to 3 times throughout your day. Deep breath in. Bring the heart rate down. Remember your stacked stance. Finishing off here with the health bounce, just like we started. Wonderful. and slow it down even more. What did you think of that? 5 minute, some cardio, peaking the heart rate, bringing it back down, moving the entire body, keeping things in circulation, flushing the lymphatic system, and having a great time doing it. Please like, share, comment, kindly subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.